hoy voy a tener suerte. ¿Cómo se llama?
Se llama el castillo de Buitrago de Lozoya.
Ah, ¿dónde vivías tú?
I-forward lang isa. Kana.
That's how my friends take pictures. Los tenéis que hablar en español, ¿vale? Vale, a ver, empezamos.
Estamos aquí.
Come on, tell us about the history.
Okay. So, I told you before, this was like it's so interesting. So, Castilian castles, they follow European style castles where there's a keep, one main building covered by walls sometimes. Pero as you can see, there's no main keep here. There's no main building. So, there's no like one square building where they lived and worked that would be covered by walls. But there's just walls and towers, all defensiveness, and probably the Lord lived in like one of the, maybe that tower, maybe this one, pero wala sila yung main building. It's interesting. That's an Andalusian style, which is very rare to find here in Madrid, in the north of Madrid.
Ha?
Di ba? Kasi mo nakita ang kanta.
Kasi magkanta di ay.
Qué calor. Keka. En la discoteca.
Qué calor.
Keka. En la discoteca.
Keka pa rin ako, di ba?
And I'm going to do this every day. Just peace and nature.
Go to Mirador with Buitrago. We're gonna eat our lunch. We always think about lunch. Go fishing. I remember Kumaikai in Manolo for Teach.
So our goal for today is to go in there.
So that means we need to cross this river. Welcome to my land. So it is a free land that I gave to the public because I love the people.
Oh, very good queen.
Yes.
Sila sila maglantaw gusto. Awa, nasa lay table.
Yeah, we used to eat there with my ex-husband.
Namatay na.
And my ex-husband gave me this land, and because I am very thankful, so I also give it to the public people. To the people.
The public.
Yes, that's why I deserve the crown. You can see it. Of course, the higher the better. So we are just in the first phase, and the most difficult part is really hiking with mask. So guys, I can feel my butt growing. Oh my god. Nakot aming lubot. So far, this is our view. And not that much.
Yeah, we need to go higher.
How many minutes more?
A lot.
A lot?
20 daw.
What is a lot for you?
20 minutos. 5 minutes more.
5? Okay. Are you not kidding me? So we just arrived. We are going to look for a place to eat and just have a picnic. So actually it's just here, and our view would be this one. Awesome, right? Caprivece. So we have the same bag. Okay, let's have a bag raid.
Okay.
What do you have there? Whoa, so Girl Scout, eh? Sabon!
Girl Scout na kay Ani, oh.
Okay, great.
And then,
Itlog.
and pork chop.
And pork chop. And how about you, Aizel?
Pure rice.
Only rice?
And asado? Ay, nakoy daw.
Ay, adobo. Are you ready? Can you guess it?
Asado.
And what?
Asado lang.
And ketchup. And look.
Gamay na lang buwang.
Samla.
Pakita na ba yung say, what's the balon?
And my food is, it's so big. It's my favorite.
Winner! Winner man eh.
It's lechon manok.
Pollo asado.
And my water.
Ah, kada sa bugat kaayo.
Yes. But it's fine. May manghi ko niya diri.
Ako sa tiyon po.
Kayo na kay ko guys.
Ako sa dak.
Going to look for a place to change clothes. Holy. So we are now going home because the next bus is at
4.
4.
4:30.
So yeah, we want to stay here a little bit longer, but the next bus is at 6 and it's going to be late for us because we still live in Getafe. And there will be lots of people if we will go home at 6. So we are going to look for a place we will to wee to pee. Yes, so okay, we will be in the lookout if someone is here. Okay, go, you can. No, I am not taking a video. Just me, myself, and I. No, and Izel. She was about to pee and there was someone. Okay, we will look for another place. Hello. Hello. My other friend is really risk taker. Yes. Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is
Right eye.
and I am Jolly Guns. So please subscribe to our channel. So now we are going to relocate. So maybe I'm gonna wait here. Are you sure? Okay, so maybe this is the right place. Okay, does it look like Arinola?
Ting. Tara siya. Na siya dito. Over there. Wala bitaw. Wala lagi. Bye, nanay panaog ng pamilya. Success! Success?
Ha?
Jel, musta?
Success, sige ta kog dagan tissue dito. Madam, kita ka pang blaka na sihi. Naian.
Ay.
So guys, we are in a hurry because it's already raining and we only have how many minutes? 9 minutes to get the bus, and I hope that we will be on time getting it because the next trip is at 6. So it's already raining and we don't have any umbrella. La locura que hacemos. Ay, está aquí. Good job. We made it. Some of you? Can you see that?
Yes.
We made it.
Yes, we made it. Oh.
We're waiting for the bus and now
Yay, our bus here. Ah, so we need to go there. Come on, let's go. Run. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god, sakit kaya po. Oh my god. It's so painful. Okay, so basang suso. Ano ako rin basa? Kami na ni Chelsea.